Hello guys, so today I'm reviewing the Kroger Rewards World Elite Mastercard. This is the credit card Kroger offers for its shoppers, issued by US Bank. I've been using it for several months, so this review is based on actual use, not just the marketing claims. If you run a small business or a Shopify store and do a lot of your personal or household shopping at Kroger, this kind of card can quietly make a difference in your monthly budget. When you apply, you usually get a quick decision online. The approval odds depend a lot on your credit score. Good to excellent is usually needed, so this isn't a starter card for building credit from scratch. Once approved, the physical card arrives within about a week, which is pretty standard. The design looks standard, nothing fancy, no metal card vibes here, but it feels durable and functional. The main selling point is the rewards system, and that's really what this card lives or dies by. Tired of banks checking your credit score for weeks, slapping on limits, and blocking transactions? We get how frustrating it is. With the Red Dot Pay card, you'll get a multi-currency account, a card issued in minutes, and the freedom to pay without red tape. You can also link your crypto directly and spend instantly. No credit checks or delays. Click the link in the description now, apply for your Red Dot Pay card, get $5 on your account, and start using it right away. You earn 5% on Kroger's own store brand products, 2% on other Kroger purchases like groceries and pharmacy, and 1% on everything else. If you already buy a lot of Kroger's private label items, that 5% can add up quickly over time. It sounds good if you shop at Kroger often, but there's a catch. The 5% category applies only to Kroger's private label brands, not all items. If you're not paying attention, you might think you're earning more than you really are, especially when your cart includes name brand products that only earn 2%. Also, rewards come as points, redeemable toward Kroger fuel discounts or statement credits, but the value per point isn't high compared to flat cashback cards. The card does offer an extra fuel discount, 25 cents off per gallon when you redeem at Kroger fuel centers. That's a nice perk if you drive a lot or commute regularly, but keep in mind the discount has limits per visit and per month. If you don't use Kroger gas stations, you'll lose a lot of the card's value, and that perk becomes almost meaningless. Now for the fees. There's no annual fee, which is a plus and makes it easier to justify keeping long-term. But the APR is on the higher side, around 20 to 30% depending on credit. If you carry a balance, the interest can easily wipe out your rewards, especially at those rates. There's also a foreign transaction fee, so it's not ideal for travel or international purchases. I'd call it a domestic use only card. Customer service is through US Bank, not directly Kroger. In my experience, support is average. Wait times are okay, but the reps often stick to scripts and aren't always empowered to solve edge case problems quickly. The mobile app works fine for checking your balance and rewards, but it's not as smooth or modern as some other major card apps. Transactions update with a slight delay, which can make tracking spending in real time a bit harder. Security-wise, it includes Mastercard's standard protections like zero liability for fraud and ID theft monitoring. I haven't had any security issues so far, but don't expect premium benefits like travel insurance or lounge access. This card is designed for grocery shoppers, not travelers or points hackers. If you're a loyal Kroger shopper who spends a lot each month on groceries and fuel, the card can make sense and quietly return value over time. But if you only shop there occasionally or prefer flexibility in where you earn rewards, better options exist. Cards like the Citi Custom Cash or Amex Blue Cash Everyday offer similar or better cashback rates without being tied to one store, which is often more practical for business owners juggling multiple expenses. Overall, the Kroger Rewards World Elite Mastercard is decent for dedicated Kroger customers, but not a strong all-around card. It works best when you pay in full every month and maximize the grocery and fuel categories. For most people, it's a niche card rather than a daily driver. If this review helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews on credit cards and finance.